Good morning, students. Let's start with 13.4 population. Now, a population is a group of individuals of a same species that live in a given geographical area, share or compete for the similar resource, and potentially reproduce. So, in short, a group of same species live in a particular area is known as your population. For example, uh, teakwood trees in a forest tract, bacteria in a culture plate, lotus plant in a pond, etc. are all are the example of your population. So in short, population is a group of same species which lives in particular area. Now, population ecology is an important area of ecology as it link the ecology to the population genetics and evolution. So the ecology which deals with the branch of ecology which deals with population is known as your population ecology. Now, as a population is a group of same species. So to measure the population, there are various attributes which help to measure the population of a particular area. For example, your birth rate, your death rate, your sex ratio, your age pyramid, and population density. Now all these attributes help to measure the population. So we are going to see one by one. Now, first is your population size. Now, what do you mean by population size? It is referred as the number of individual in a population. Second, what do you mean by population density? Density is referred as the number of individual present per unit space in a given time. Now, second is your natality or birth rate. So, what do you mean by birth rate? It's referred to per capita birth. Means, for example, in a pond there are 20 lotus plants last year, and through reproduction 8 new plants are added. Hence the current population is 28. So the birth rate will be 8 divided by 20 is equal to zero point 0.4 offspring per lotus per year. So in short, natality is a birth rate of an individual. It defined as the birth rate per year in a population is called as your natality. Now, natality is of two types, absolute and realized natality. So what do you mean by absolute natality? It is a theoretical maximum production of the new individual under a ideal condition. Whereas what do you mean by realized natality refers to the population increases under a actual or a specific environmental condition. So in short, when there is no competition between the species, at that time the population is called as absolute population. But when the competition is there between the two species or many species, at that time realized natality is used to calculate the actual population of that area. Okay, so this is your absolute and your realized natality. Now, third is your mortality. So, what do you mean by mortality? Mortality is also called as death rate. It refers to as per capita death. For example, 4 individuals in a laboratory population of the 40 fruit flies die during a week. Hence, the death rate is 4 divided by 40 is zero point 0.1 individual per fruit fly per week. So, in short, the death rate is a death of an organism respect to time is known as your mortality. Now mortality is also of two types, absolute and relative mortality. So what do you mean by absolute mortality? The number of death under an ideal condition means with no competition, abundance of resources and etc. At that time the population is called the death rate in a population is called as your absolute mortality, whereas relative mortality is the number of death when an environmental pressures comes into play. So in short, when there is a no competition and abundance of resources are present, at that time the death rate in a population is known as your absolute mortality, whereas when there is a environmental pressure plays a important role, then at that time relative mortality place relative mortality count the actual population present at that time. So that's it. In next lecture we are going to see your sex ratio, age pyramid and your age number. Thank you.